up, YouTube, IG, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, wherever else I decide to upload this. Greetings to you all. It's been a while. Yeah, just been working and making money and buying Pokemon cards. Yeah. Hanging out with my girlfriend in my spare time and just, making beef and broccoli, same old shit, different day, same shit, just a different day. But we out here, we living it. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox some things for you. I'm a little crazy in the Pokémons today. Found this here mystery box. It's got 3 different booster packs in it. Had to get these. Didn't even know these existed. The trick-or-trades. I've already opened them, but I'll open up a pack just to show y'all. And these are really fun. I could not pass these up. Yeah, this is a pretty good deal. It's like 40 mini packs, 3 cards in each, so about 120 cards for 15 bucks. You can't really beat that. This 3 booster pack was a little pricey. It was like 20 bucks at Dollar General, but in it is we got an Evolving Skies Umbreon. We got a Chilling Reign. We got a Battle Style. Let me fix the lighting in here real quick. Hope that's a little better. I feel like it is. But yeah, let me open up these bad boys and see what we got. Hope y'all been doing okay, staying alive, surviving, doing what you do. The grind don't stop. So give the old yep. Those are definitely Pokemon cards. Yep, just an energy card. Got a gold duck right here. Legendary. Have so many of those. Nice little lantern guy. Got a nice slack off right here. I got the flower right here. Cute little love disc. Hanging out there. Another little Fletchling. We got a Chinchou. Oh, and for our reverse holo, we got a nice little Rufflet guy. Not too bad. Just oh, there's another card I missed. Evil. I don't think I have this card yet. It's a cute little buddy right there. The first pack. Let's open up this Chilling Reign pack right here. Yep. Definitely Pokemon cards. You can tell by the smell if they're gonna be lucky or not. Last one I didn't get too big of a whiff, so got another energy. Got a Flannery right here. Got a Crab and Abominable Boppable. Sweet little dude. piercing. Got a Grookey. Oh, nice, guys. Nice little water sneasel right there. Silly little Weedle right there. A Galarian Farfetch. I have a few of these. Cast form. Rainy form. Ooh, our reverse holo is a Caitlyn right here. Support card. And we got a Galad. Nice. Nice cards. That Caitlyn card is really nice. I know people would freak out when they would get that in a pool. I know why. Put any number of cards from your hand on the bottom of your deck in any order, then draw that many cards. Don't know why you'd want to do that, but it sounds like it'd be pretty useful at some point. Switch up the beat here. Alright, now we're going to open this Battle Styles pack. Smells a little lucky. Smells a little lucky. Let's see what we got. Little flap right here. Just been tearing these things open. Oh, nice. We got a Galarian Slowbro. I don't think I have this one yet. I think I have a few Galarian Slowpokes. I might add that to my Psychic deck. Got an Energy, an Escape Rope, a Carnivine. Nice little grass dude. Ooh, got a Fearow. With a little artsy-fartsy. Little Timber dude. We got a nice little Baltoy. We got a Sizzlipede in the claymation. Got a nice little Mankey right there. Pawniard. And, oh! Reverse holo Electabuzz. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Dang. $20 and no ultra rares. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. Let me open up one of the trick-or-treat packs, because these are nice. I'm glad I have a lot of these. Definitely going to open a pack here and there for the serotonin. I actually opened it right this time. Alright. Yo! These, I love that you get a holo. Nice Darkrai. Hey, it's a cute little Cubone. And we got a Dusclops. Yep. These are the cards I got. Yeah. Thanks for watching and being with silly old little panda. Miss y'all. Hit me up. Know what's going on in your life. You know. Gotta keep it chill. Gotta keep it easy. You know. But it ain't easy being cheesy. So maybe you could try out some provolone or some American Swiss. You know, for your little miss. And it'll be all nice, fine, and dandy. So yeah. Love y'all. Peace.